Everybody, welcome back this session, and in this video we are going to learn about SMB, which is server message block, how it is works and why we use SMB. SMB first, we will see what is SMB. SMB used for what? SMB used for share the resources in the network under the network. So let's check. We can't use out of the network with the help of SMB. So let's check. There we confirm SMB protocol. SMB proto. 1 minute. Yes, protocol. So a server message block SMB protocol is a client server communication, okay, protocol that is used to share access to files and directories, printers, serial port. It means all the data and the resources and other resources on our network. It means under within the network. This is okay. We can't use out the network. Okay, so just let's connect and how we can use. Let's check. Okay, let's check. First we are going to learn and we will use the first SMB tool, server message block. The We will use SMB client. This is a tool. So how we can do that? So SMB client and then hyphen L for capital L and IP. So let's check. 1 minute. Yes. So we need to any kind of what IP. So what is IP? Uh, this is my Metasploit. We need Metasploit. So let's check the IP with ifconfig. So IP 1.17. So let's enter the IP 192.168 and 1.17. The first uh, before before starting this, let's open your new terminal and check nmap through the nmap hyphen sd and IP, which is 192.168.1.17. So let's check. 1 minute. This is working or not? So ping 192.168.1.17. Yes, this is responding. It means it is working. So nmap and this is a IP. Let's check again. 1 minute. Simply use hyphen s, not version, only synchronize packet. Let's network manager. Oh, bash. Let's check again. Sorry for that. I didn't use one actually. That's why the problem. Let's check. 1 minute. Yes, so we have got this kind of ports and service. So there is available, you can see 445 ports, which is SMB. Okay, server message block. This is open. So how we connect? Let's check. Yes, so this is the IP first. So this is open and we can also use. So let's check. First need to open only. So this is open and only enter. Okay. So we used this SMB client tool. Enter. So password for that we need password. We don't need password. Why? I told you anonymous user. Anonymous user that we can enter without password. I told you before. So let's just enter. Follow the steps. Yes, so we can see all these things, this TMP, OPT, this kind of CNM, username. Okay, so let's connect with that anyone. Like suppose I wanna connect SM slash and TMP suppose. So let's try and paste there. 1 minute. Paste. Okay, and enter. There we used actually 1 minute. -l -l for list the shares. Okay, so now what needs we doesn't we don't need actually 1 minute, we don't need any kind of l for share the list. So now we are trying to connect tmp user. Okay, so let's enter and again password and that kind of thing. So again, I told you this is an anonymous user that consider a vulnerabilities. Actually, vulnerability. Okay, let's enter just yes. So we have connected the SMB, which is server message block. Okay, so let's dir ls. Okay, at there 1 minute. Let's make one file. Search Raju dot Raki. Okay. Suppose I make one file that is raju.raki 1 minute home and okay. So there is a file where raju.raki. Okay. So let's post the file. So how we can do that? Just put and then file name raju.raki. Okay. So just enter and then dir. So that's there. We can see Raju.Raki is there. Okay, so we have entered this and we can do that. Okay, suppose I want to download any kind of file, just get. So we can use get. I told you, like I want to, this file, this file. So enter there. Okay, no problem. Suppose there. Okay, so access denied. Okay, it means there is no permission to access that, but the permission is only post. It means only upload. Get permission and download permission we don't have, so no problem. This permission. Okay, okay, enough for that. So just what we do, just like exit there. Okay, so exit. And now just use that -l again, -l, and then 1 minute, and then cut this and -u for user, and that is user. Okay, actually, this is what I told you. We found the username, and that was the user. So that's why. Okay, just enter. So user password. So just enter the password. We found the password. what was the password we were talking about in that video, which was Hydra and CEWL. So we found the user, the password is user, so just USER and enter. 1 minute. Again, we try. Yes, so enter and USER user. So this is, I think, uh, permissions. Print. Okay, no problem. So again, we can use also in go ahead. Let's check again. So SMB, like there we can use also user. Okay, so let's try password USER. There is again the problem is same. So yes, the wrong thing was hyphen L. We are not doing that to list any kind of things. We are trying to connect. So just enter and password use user. So we are connected. We have connected actually. So ls, yes, and now what? Suppose I think in that video we uploaded the file node.ronup. Let's and now I want to kind of this dot profile. I want to download that file dot profile. The profile was is downloaded, so it's download. Let's check. So this is not a normal file actually. We can see also this is a dot file. It means the hidden file. So ls hyphen a, and now we can see the file hyphen profile. Okay, it means we have downloaded that. Okay, so there is both permission download, put and get. We can put also, like put uh, I want to make one file again, like uh, touch touch Kevin. Okay, ls there is a Kevin. Oh, okay, so enter put Kevin and ls. So there is Kevin. Yes. So there is both permission put and get. And now uh, let's just exit there. Okay. Exit. Then there is a use for resources share and actually in the network only share the resources. And now we can use the SMB protocol for what? For user enumeration. Then what is user enumeration actually? User enumeration like what? Suppose 1 minute. Yes. So there is okay. There is a SMTP command. So ignore that. Like okay. Okay. So this is my email. So first, we can use SMB for user enumeration. So how we can do that? We can do only simply commands. Okay. So first is what is user enumeration? User enumeration is like how we can enumerate the user, gathering about the information. Gathering information about the user actually. So once actually if you have any kind of user, it means any kind of mail. So if you have any kind of email or mail, so you have two things. First is mail id. This is full of mail id. This is my personal mail id. Okay, and the second is user. This is a user. What is the This is the user, and this is the domain name. Two things. First, you have mail id. Second is uh, the user's username. Okay, so how we can do that? this is my actually Metasploit machine. Okay, first this is my Metasploit machine, and this is Kali Linux. So is there any kind of user? Let's check how we can do that with the help of SMB. So let's check. So we can check nmap. It is simple hyphen hyphen script, and then SMB and nm users, and then uh, port. The port was 445, and then simple IP. What was the IP? 192, 168, and 1.17. Okay, so this is the simple command which helps to enumerate the user. So just enter, and then just wait. This is a little bit time taking process, not too much. Let's check. Yes, so 1 minute, just zoom out. Yes, so we can see that kind of things. Yes, we got the users. We get this first. This is the mode. Sorry for that. Metasploit machine. Okay, so the name is backup. The full name is bin. This is all user. Okay, full name user bin, and full name is the daemon, and 1 minute, full name games. This is all about users in on their machine, on that machine. Actually, there is Metasploit. Okay, let's check how we can do that. Let's get /etc and pass wd. So there is all kind of users backup, IRC, nobody, there nobody user. Okay, and MySQL. When we configure SQL, then automatically mm, automatically make one user, which is MySQL, and SMB we can configure, then automatically comes that nobody user. So that kind of users we can enumerate this. Okay, so we also there can MySQL and MSF admin actually. Okay, so that kind of user we can also, with the help of this command we can also help, with the help of this command, user enumerate. That is all available. Okay, so first we need what? Only this command. So that kind of things we have covered. Okay, so with the help of SMB we can also use that which is user enumeration. And okay, so we have covered this, and so this is all about today's lecture. Okay, so 1 minute. Okay, let's check. No problem. There is user, all the users, their machine we can see here only. Okay, account disabled, it means uh, one thing that I forgot actually, then I actually that I should talk with you, and that is when you configure any kind of a service like SSH or FTP, any kind of uh, SSH, FTP, or other kind of so on. Okay, then if you configure the SSH, the user automatically make, and that is SSHD actually. 1 minute, SSHD. Okay, so if you configure any kind of service, the one user automatically make. Why? For configure and manage all the kind of relevant to this service, that service actually. If you configure the SQL any kind of relevant to that, then automatically make one user, that is I told you, that is MySQL. Okay, MySQL. And if you have configured SMB, then automatically come nobody or any kind of other user. So okay, that kind of things. And this is our ID value, which is what is which is a resource identifier actually. Okay, so we can learn in next video. So okay, that thing important, we can use any kind of configure and make different kind of configuration and process and service. So automatically comes and make one user, and that is what that relevant to that service for manage and all the processing managing for that. Okay, so this is all about today's session, and next video we will learn something new. So thank you very much, and excuse me, subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.